yeah.
Hello! Welcome back to YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Ngayong araw na ito, talakayan natin ay tungkol sa boy band. Masaya po. Plus, ano kaya nangyari ang boy band quiz? Then, subscribe na to the YouTube channel at alamin kung bakit. Sana po magsuporta natin until the end. This is our vlog number 83 and episode 83 entitled Boy Band Quiz. Here's your vlog. Ito na, simulan na natin. Bakit yung sa QMK study group or study quiz is all about para kumulang. Napanood ko yung mixed pop quiz kasi 10 out of 10 correct answers. Ito na, simulan na natin. Trivia question number 1 ay anong grupo na kumanta ng Everybody? Backstreet Band. The Backstreet Boys.
You are my fire.
Released in 1997 from the album Backstreet Band. Yung music video, yan yung parang marapit na Halloween. Parang horror lang. Ayan. Tapos, ano po nangyari sa ating music video? So, 6 minutes lang to. Ayan. Question number 2. Ang grupo na ito is composed of Jerry, Vic, Ken, and Vanessa, the F4.
The one desire.
Pero, ang F4 ba nag-start during successful Nature Garden. Pero dahil sa copyright issues noong 2007, pinatik siya ng JBKB. And our next question, that BTS fan called ARMYs.
Believe when I say
Ang mga BTS fans, yung ARMYs, yung tinanawag dyan sa mga fans ng BTS. Then, sino kayang solo superstar was a member of NSYNC? Justin Timberlake.
I want it that way.
Justin Timberlake, who is former in Mickey Mouse Club, joined JC Chasez, Lance Bass, Joey Patton, and Chris Kilpatrick. Fourth question, yung fourth question is, it says yung May na is gonna be May. May yun. It's gonna be May. In 2018, received the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Tapos, in 2019, hindi siya kasama si Justin Timberlake. That Ariana Grande joining with NSYNC sa Coachella last year. Ang big question natin, yung SB90 tops, Alam and Go Up. As of now, medium views na po. 7.7 yung Alam at 7.8 for Go Up. What Makes Me Beautiful by One Direction is the debut single released in 2011.
The power to rock you, blowing your mind, so you gotta get into 5. What you waiting for?
Pero alam ko yung napanood ko last Saturday sa TV sa the Holly Stage Special at the iTunes Festival at may Twitter's questions ako. Pero isang member ng One Direction na departure dahil hindi na nakapunta sa Pilipinas. Zayn Malik welcomes Baby Girl with their model Gigi Hadid.
4, if you want it. 3, 2, 1, let's do it.
The Jonas Brothers member who's the married of the Game of Thrones actress Sophie Turner, Joe Jonas married dad. Then, ang Jonas Brothers na hiatus na dahil sa 2000 start na hiatus muna na yung Jonas Brothers for the song Sucker. For the 9th question is, ang Fantastic Baby is a hit by Big Bang. A Big Bang is kinanta by Fantastic Baby. Ginamit sa Aldab theme songs in Kalye serie. And the last question is, Ben Adams of A1 released Christmas song with singer Morissette Abloh. said is this is Christmas time. Malapit ng Christmas season. Last year, not Christmas na ngayon, this year, dahil quarantine, Merry Christmas na lang. At yan po ang ating boy band quiz about this particular questions. 10 out of 10. Kaya congratulations to me. Now, oras na para sa ating Gabby's Mention Warranty Edition.
Rock your body, yeah.
Ito na sa ating Warranty Edition of Gabby's Mention. Hi, Janine, birthday of each showtime ang tawag ng tahanan. Sana ma-meet na po after quarantine kasi nang bago ng buhok ni Janine birthday. Ang ganda ng hair ni Janine. Color hair na. Kaya sana ma-meet na po after quarantine. Thank you. At oras na para sa ating pa-shoutout naman.
Everybody, yeah. Rock your body.
Shoutout naman. Hello to the 3 boys from grade 1. Lennon Bartolome, John Lord de Guzman, and Orlando Benedicto. Sana after na quarantine, ma-meet na ulit after i-reunion in grade 6 next year na. Okay, maraming salamat. We hope to see you.